Good morning, everyone. I'm back with another video breakdown of my Python coding challenge for today. Today, I am on week 21 of Data and Motions Python coding questions. So let's go ahead and get started. The instructions is to write a function called single letter count. This function takes in two parameters, which are two strings. The first parameter should be a word, and the second should be a letter. The function returns the number of times that letter appears in the word. The function should be case insensitive, meaning it does not matter if the input is lowercase or uppercase. If the letter is not found in the word, the function should return 0. So let's go ahead and get started on that. As you can see, I already have my skeleton. As they stated, I have declared a function called single letter count, and I am passing in the parameters to strings, which I named string 1 and string 2. And then down here in the main, I have created some test cases for us to try out. So let's go ahead and get started. So in my solution function, I'm going to go ahead and return count, and that'll be the variable we'll use for keeping the count of the letter in each word. Okay, so we have that return set there, and then at the top, I'm going to declare that variable and set it to 0, the default value, because if the word does not occur, we're going to just return it as 0, what we set in the beginning. So count is equal to 0. Okay, so that'll take care of the condition if any of the words don't contain a letter. So let's get started on the letter. So we're going to do a for loop, and we're going to loop through the first string, which will be the word. So let's go ahead and get started with that. So we'll say for letter in, and you notice that it said it doesn't matter the case of the word. So what we'll do is we'll just set everything to lower, and that way it won't be an issue if one of the letters is uppercase in the password. So we'll say in string 1, we'll just use the dot lower method to set everything to lowercase, and then we'll say if string 2, which will be the letter, is string 2 dot lower again is equal to, meaning it's equal to the word that is currently on in that loop round. We're going to just increment count, so we'll say count plus equals 1, and that should loop through each letter and make it lowercase, and then check with the provided letter that is also changed to lowercase to see if they both equal, and if it is a match, it'll add 1 to that count, and that'll give us the count of each letter occurrence. So let's go ahead and test this solution and see what we get. We're getting 2, 2, 2. So let's test that. Okay, first I passed banana, and then I passed in N, and you can see there are 2 occurrences of N, and then also I passed in test, and I passed in that letter T, and it is 2 T's in that word. And then here at the bottom, you notice everything I made uppercase in that first string, but I passed in the lowercase s. And because we use that dot lower method, it changed this status into all lowercase, and that way we were able to match that s. So let's go ahead and do one more to test whether or not if it doesn't occur, it really returns 0. So let's do single letter count, and let's just pass in no. Let's just do choice. Let's pass in choice. And then for the string, we'll pass in something that isn't a choice. So let's just pass in Z. Okay, so let's run this again and see, does it work for the 0 default value. So I'll just go back up, and there you have it. So everything is working correctly. Let me know how you would have went about solving this problem, not solution, and then let me know if you have any tips for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye bye.